Yeah, so the purpose of this very video is to help you understand the logics behind a sign up and also a login. Yeah, this is a C++ program to help you understand the logic. So C++, I always say it is actually one of the best programming languages that if you are a beginner or someone who wants to have the logics right, it is important to have that. Yeah, you have various tools out there that you can go for, but C++ helps you understand whatever that you're doing, and it is important to understand the basics before you go on and do a lot of stuff. So not to waste much time, you're going to create a sign up page before we log in. So sign up, this is going to be a simple, but the logic it is actually something that you need to notice. So we're going to we are going to declare our variables, and we're going to declare variable of full name. So full name is something that we are going to implement. As we have full name. So sign up, we basically have full name, or first name. Let's make it first name, last name. You have string email, you have string password, we have string confirm password. So we are going to create a sign up, and this should be our credentials that we are going to ask from the user. So the first name, last name, email, password, and the confirm password. So I'm going to let the user know what they are supposed to enter. Enter first name, and yeah, so seeing first name. Yeah, so we're going to see out enter last name. Yeah, so seeing last name. The email, you're going to see out enter email, enter email address, seeing email, so seeing email of password, and so see out enter password, I have seen password, and I have enter confirm password. Enter confirm password. So these are actually this is what we want the user to enter: the first name, last name, email, password, and the confirm password. So the confirm password also. So what are you supposed to ensure? Yeah, so we need to actually check the password and the confirm passwords. They are actually in sync, or they are actually the same. Yeah, so we need to actually ensure that. Yeah, so let's run the program and see before we continue. So enter first name, Christian Jones, so and so, Christian at email 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are done. So we need to ensure our password and the confirm password actually they are all okay before So we need to note that. So we are going to do some basic checks on the various before on the various variables before. So if first name is equals to this, if first name equals to this, you should let the user know that first input field cannot be empty. So let me so let's come here. This is where we are doing the checking. Let's run the program and see something here. So first name. Okay. So let's run the program and see if okay. So let's okay. So even for the basic checking, because of the console, I think there's none. So you let's focus on that's the password. Yeah. So for the basic checking, yeah. So once these are actually being done, once you enter your password and the confirm password. So if this is what you are going to do. So if password and if password equals to confirm password, then grant access cout account created account created account created So we are going to display your various credentials for you to actually see. Your first name, so first name, last name, email, do not disclose to anyone. Okay. So do not disclose this to anyone. So your account has been created and do not disclose this to anyone else. If the password equals to confirm password, account created, or else it tell you that you cannot actually create an account. So our passwords do not match. So we are telling you that your passwords do not match. Let's run the program and see if everything is working as expected. So sign up page, the last name, so enter email address, christian@gmail.com. 1 2 3. We want to enter wrong password and see 1 2 3 4. Passwords do not match, so we cannot create account. So we are actually out of of the program. We cannot do anything again. We need to ensure our passwords are actually in sync. Our password and the confirmed password is in sync. So christian@gmail.com, password 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, so my password, confirmed password, is actually in sync. They are the same. So yeah, account created. Do not disclose this to anyone. So you Christian Jones, christian@gmail.com. That's the credentials that I added. So yeah, so let's I have my account here, so I can basically save it because I want to log in. Yeah, I can create it. So this can be something that so this is going to be that's exciting program. As if you are someone who is more interested in logics, this is going to help you. Or as a beginner, you need to get the logics right. That's what I always say. Otherwise, you're going to be having a lot of challenges in your journey as a developer or an engineer. So yeah, so yeah, we will basically use the email, and the password for the sign in or for the login. And so let's Christian Jones, Christian gmail.com 1 2 3 1 2 3. So first name, last name, email. Yeah, so you use the email and the password for the sign. Yeah, so how do we implement that? Yeah, how do we implement that? So once the account is being created, we want the user to actually log into the system. How are we going to do that? We are going to ensure it here. We're going to create it here. So now your account has been created, so you need to basically have access to the system and sign in. So right now you can sign into the system and we're good to go. Yeah. So enter email address again. Enter email address. Yeah, so this is going to be login. Yeah, this is going to be login page. Going to be login page. Yeah, I didn't add that's the sign up page. I didn't go just to make the program a little bit fun. So sign up page, this is actually sign up in here. This is actually the login page. So enter your email, enter your password. So we will check if we are going to check if email equals to, so if the email equals to email and password equals to password. Now we display that's the email. We welcome the user using the email. So welcome email. Welcome email. This is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. If email equals email and password equals to password, welcome email. So let's run the program again and see if the logic is working. Yeah, so sign up page, Christian Jones, Christian@gmail.com. The password 123. Yeah, account is created right now. So the login page, I'm going to test if it's working. So email Christian@gmail.com 1 2 3. Wow, so this is the dashboard. It says welcome Christian@gmail.com. This is the dashboard. Yeah, so let me try a wrong input. That's during the input here for the password. Let me see if I'm going to redirect it to a different page. So I'm going to add else. So if my credentials are wrong, it's hard. Then I need to get that's a message letting me know that my passwords do not match. Passwords do not match or wrong. Yeah, wrong password. So that's when I sign in. Sure. So I need to have a wrong password. So message. So this is Christian. That's for the sign up. Christian@gmail.com. So this is actually sign up and login system. Yeah, we're using C++. This is actually that's a simple system where you basically have the logics, right? So how this guy. So account is being created and Christian@gmail. Wrong password. I'm having wrong password but I'm still getting, why? So why am I getting this very message? So if email equals to email and password equals to password, no. So maybe I'm not doing something right here. Okay, so let's check something here. This is the email that we've entered, right? And it is being stored here. And we are checking if email equals to it's email. Okay. Compare with if equals to email. Okay. So I think we are checking it. If email is the same as email. Okay, so let's just type here. If email is equals to email. Okay, so let's see something here. See something. If email is okay, so let's create that's a variable where we are going to store this. We need to have that's a variable here so that we can basically store that when you log in successfully, we are going to store the variable in there for us. So yeah, so our account's being created. Okay, so login, yeah, so string email success, string password success. So So once we need to ensure that we are assigned as our email is equals to email success equals to email. I have password success equals to password. So we are using this to actually ensure no check. So if email success, if email success equals to email and password success is also equals to password, then we welcome the user. Otherwise, no, wrong password. So let's try and see if this is going to work. So Christian Jones, Christian at gmail.com 23. Now let me check the login. Let me try a wrong input and see. So enter email Christian at gmail.com 23. Wrong password. Wow. So now we are having the logic right, and let me try that's the correct input and see if this is going to work out. So Christian at gmail.com 123. So Christian at gmail.com 23. Wow, so our logic is actually right. It is actually right, and everything is working perfectly for us. So this is actually a sign up and a login page we've actually developed using C++, and this is the logics that you need to get them right before you start using any tool. Because if you want to be a software engineer or someone who wants to stay in this very field, it is important to get the logics right. So for the purpose of this very video is to make sure you have all the logics right. So thank you very much. Subscribe to this very channel. See you. Take